how to download data from Oanda or any MT4 broker into your MT4 account. A lot of times when you're looking at signals, you're going to get something that looks a little like this. Let me take a little picture. You'll get a good strategy, but then there's only going to be like 7 signals. Well, you can't do anything with 7 signals, but you can do something with like 200 or 100, something like that. So sometimes you need more data. So the first thing we do is we get rid of our indicators off of our chart just so that we can see what we're doing. Then we go up to the top here and we click on Tools, then go down to History Center, and this is where we can download, a ton of data. Now, Oanda or whatever your platform is may not have everything for everybody. If you're trying to download, I don't know, some type of something down here, it may not have a lot of data. So what we're going to do right now, we are going to pick one that we don't have a lot of data for, such as, let me see. Okay, on the CAD Swiss here, what if I accidentally started just deleting a lot of data, like this? Oh no, what are you doing? Okay, you know what? Let's re-download it. You can, whenever you click this button right here, you can re-download all the data. Now it takes forever for you to see what's going on. Let's do this. Let's look down here at the bottom. Let me find it. I want to pull it up. I want to look at my journal. Now watch the journal here as I download more data. Ready? Go. Download. Okay. We're going to download data, and you can see it downloading the data here. And however much data it has, well, I don't know. It says it goes back to like 1995. We will see here shortly. But this takes like forever, and a lot of people don't know, why does this take forever? Why does this green bar take forever to get to the end? Well, it's doing this in the background, and if you would click on your journal, you would know that. Matthew Renner told me that, I don't know, a few years ago. But if you're doing anything in MT4 and you don't know why, look at your journal tab, because you might learn something. So now we're up to 2002, and it's just going to continue to download all the way up until 2019, where we are now. And then we'll see how much data we have. We're up to 2010 now. Okay, so it's got all the data now. We're going to go look at it. Okay, so we're going to pull this back down. And we're looking at a 15-minute chart. The easiest way to do it is to press the Home button on your keyboard. Watch down here in the lower left-hand corner. I'm going to press Home. Wait, there we go. There we go. Okay, on a 15-minute chart, the data goes all the way back to January of 2017. So that's 2 years worth of data. The 1-minute data goes all the way back to November, or several months worth of data. And the weekly, wait. I was looking at the CAD Swiss. I need to do that one. There we go. Now let's try it again. The 15-minute, press the Home button. Okay, it goes back to October of 2016, so quite a few years. On the weekly, press the Home button. It goes back to 1990 something. So yeah, that's correct. I'm going to pull this one up here. This is in the strategy thing now. Okay, but that's how you do it. All right, thanks.